So you really can't memorize your way through the bar exam. And many of you are spending a lot of time on the memorization and not enough time working to understand the rules. And understanding the rules is really what's going to pay off in the long run. And this is a lesson I wish I had learned before I took the bar exam the first time and didn't pass. I wish somebody had told me and showed me the correct way to study, because main bar prep courses don't show you this. They just give you that big box of books and you think that you have to memorize everything in there. And that's just, A, it's not realistic, and B, it's not the best way to get the most points on the bar exam. What will really pay off is your understanding of the rules, not your memory, not memorizing the rules. And if you understand the rules, you'll be able to distinguish on the multiple choice when you're down to two answers and you don't know which one to pick. Your understanding of the rule is what's going to help you pick the right answer. And on the essays, your understanding of the rule is what's going to help you apply the law to the facts. And I know this sounds obvious, but a lot of you aren't studying correctly. You're just working on the memorization and spending a lot of time making flashcards and reading and rereading your flashcards and doing reading and rereading your outlines and taping all the rules on your walls, and who knows what else you're doing to memorize. But you have to make sure you're not wasting your time, your valuable time that you have before the bar exam. It is better spent understanding those rules and not just trying to memorize them. And so I want to have a workshop tomorrow to talk about this topic alone, the studying part of it, because I love teaching you how to earn more points on the written portion of the exam by showing you how to communicate your answers effectively. But I can't show you that unless you know the rules and you understand them. And I can be the best writer in the world, but if I don't know how to take apart an engine and how to put it back together, I won't be able to explain it to you effectively in writing. And the same thing goes on the bar exam. So if you want to join my workshop tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time, reply to this email and I will send you a link. And I hope to see you guys there. Bye, guys.